Nagaland's Tourism and Higher Education Minister Tamjen Imna Along has confirmed the state government's commitment to implementing the Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland RIIN and the Indigenous Inhabitant Certificate IIC. Speaking to reporters at the Purvotar Adi Bazaar organized by the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, Along explained that certain procedures must be completed before the government can move forward. He assured that the government is dedicated to implementing the RII and Along also shared plans for the upcoming 25th Hornbill Festival, calling it a significant event that promotes unity among Nagaland's diverse communities. He announced that Wales will be the official country partner for this year's festival, which will feature many cultural performances. We invite everyone to join us and experience the rich culture of Nagaland, he said. To address the expected increase in tourists, Along stated that the state is well prepared with adequate logistics and infrastructure. He mentioned that there are many homestays available for visitors. While five-star accommodations might not be possible for everyone, he encouraged tourists to enjoy the local hospitality and experience Naga culture. Regarding the recent molestation case involving former pastor Robert Kikon, Along said that the government is committed to a thorough investigation to ensure justice is served.